see. Well, this is looking better.
Why is the other one just...
Might already ate.
Ew. Ew. Oh, yikes. Why is my neck so crooked?
He's looking.
Really go with you? Yeah, look at me.
Ooh, just like snap something off of it. You see that?
Yeah.
What is that though? You heard that one.
I didn't hear nothing.
Well, she has her window down. He's yanking on that thing.
What is it though?
I don't know. I want to see him pick it up again. That was
Me
crazy.
too.
Look at how big they are, though, really. Because you gotta think about how far away they are. They're like twice the size of our chickens. Stronger, faster.
It seems like they're not that far away.
Obviously can fly, but... Well, they're not super far, but...
Why are they just in this field?
Well, they saw something and they come and got it.
Bye-bye.